This video tutorial shows you how to navigate the process of using Smarter Proctoring to take your exam online. First, navigate to RCC's Moodle site, click on your course, and find where your exam is located. Now you will have two links posted. One will be the exam that's in Moodle, and then one will be a separate Smarter Proctoring link that says External Tool, has the green puzzle piece. That's the one you want to click on to use Smarter Proctoring. So go ahead and click on that, and that will come up. Now, if you see a screen that looks like this, that means you have pop-ups blocked, and that new window did not open, so click Open in New Window, and then you will see this screen come up. Now, this is your Smarter Proctoring dashboard. Don't panic if the first thing you see is not the exam you want, because all of your exams for this class will show up in this dashboard. So if the one you tried to take just then does not appear first, go ahead and scroll down and you will see that somewhere on your list. In our case, it's exam 5. You'll have some exam information down here, like the start and end times for that, the type of exam, the exam duration, any permitted items, and you could have other things depending on what your instructor has enabled. So go ahead and click Choose Proctor to start your session. Now you have two options here as well. One is for testing centers, one is for automated proctoring. Here we want automated proctoring, so go ahead and click that. And it's verifying your system requirements. Be sure that you have Google Chrome installed for Smarter Proctoring to work, and go ahead and click Continue. And this is saying that your session is set, and would you like to start your session now or later? Go ahead and click Start Session Now to begin. And a new window pops up. Now this is saying that you do not have the Smarter Proctoring extension installed in Google Chrome. Now if you've already installed the extension, you will not have to take care of this phase. So this is just if you're starting it for the very first time. So go ahead and click Get the Smarter Proctoring extension. And this page will open. Notice you'll go ahead and click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. And the extension will download and install to your machine. And you'll have a message when it's been added. So you're good to go now. Go ahead and click back on this tab up here at the top, and we'll go ahead and click Continue. This is just verifying the exam details, permitted items, things like that. Go ahead and click Continue. And this is being sure that you're prepared for your exam. Be sure that you do have your government issued ID with you. That will ask for a scan for that. So go ahead and click Continue. And now we want to get into a system check. This is verifying that your webcam, your microphone, and everything is working appropriately. So go ahead and click Continue. Now this is for consenting to record on your screen. So go ahead and check both of these boxes and say Continue. Now it wants to share your screen. So take your mouse and click on the image that's showing in that screen image here. Go ahead and click on that and then click Share. And that will share your screen. Now it's wanting an ID verification. So go ahead and click Take Photo and confirm that. And you will put your ID in the box there and take your photo and confirm that once you scan your ID card. Now you can also use your driver's license, or you can use your RCC ID as well, and confirm, and then say Continue. And now it will ask you for a room scan, so go ahead and click Start Recording, and then scan your room all around, and then do Stop Recording when you're finished, and click Continue. And it will say that you're all set. Now, one word before we move any further. Notice down here at the bottom it says Smarter Proctoring is sharing your screen. It has an option to stop sharing. Do not click on that. Be very careful not to click on that, or it will close you out of the test session, and you don't want that to happen. So don't click on any of those options while the test is still going. And go ahead and click Continue now. And it will take you over to Moodle. Now this will be your exam. verifying your exam details over here, and then we'll go ahead and click Attempt Quiz Now. Now your password should come over. If it does not for some reason, you can come up here to the key, click on that, and click Inject Password, and that will put the password in for you, but it should pop over on its own. And go ahead and click Start Attempt, and your attempt will start. Now, I have a test quiz set up for us here. It just says the answer is true, so we'll select True and click Finish Attempt, and submit all and finish when you're done, and submit all and finish once again, and your quiz will be submitted. And you're pretty much done for your quiz. When you get done, you can click Stop Sharing and go back to your regular activities. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to the RCC Distance Learning team at rccdl@rockinghamcc.edu, or you can also reach out to Smarter Proctoring Support 24/7, and they'll be glad to assist you.